Installing the products is really easy and you don't need a professional. All you need is an angle grinder, a pen, a ruler, a metal wire brush, a toothed trowel, a level, glue and grout. We recommend that you use protective equipment, gloves and protective goggles. As we have a variety of shapes and shades in each box, we recommend that before beginning the installation you mix the product from several boxes as to have a harmony of shapes and colours. Also, some EasyBlock products may have different heights, so placing the stones on the floor without gluing them will give you a better feel as to the final look of the wall and will help you make better placement choices. Before beginning the installation, check that your support is dry and in good condition. For better adherence, we recommend that you scratch the back of the stones using a wire brush. Please try to emulate the position of the stones as shown in the product images. Begin the installation from a corner. Just place the stone in position and use a level to ensure it will be placed straight. Draw a line to mark its position. Apply the glue to the wall and to the back of the stone. Then place it on the wall using a back and forth movement. It's important to begin with the corner or end of wall. Make sure that the next stone fits in its place and use a level to ensure that it's straight. As before, draw a line to mark the position, apply glue and place it on the wall. Start the next row at the same point you started the previous one, but with a different height and length piece as the one below, to give a more natural look to the wall. Repeat the steps until you've finished the installation. You can leave the wall as is or finish the installation with grout. Leave the stones for 24 hours before grouting them, with the grout type of your choice. For grouting, you'll need a grouting bag, cutter, a small brush, the grout, a trowel, a clean empty bucket and a mixing tool. Roll the grout bucket on the floor before opening it in order to mix the content. You'll find the grouting bag in the bucket. Use clean water for the grout mixture. The proportions to be used for each type of grout are written on the grout buckets. Mix well the grout and water until you have a smooth paste. We recommend not to prepare the whole quantity at once, but to work in areas of around 30 square feet to avoid that the grout hardens before you get to apply it to the wall. Cut diagonally about 1 inch from the tip of the grouting bag and fill it about 2/3 with grout. When grouting, insert the tip of the grouting bag in the empty space between the stones and almost in contact with the wall, and fill the empty spaces by squeezing the bag. It's as easy as glazing a cake. If the grout overflows onto the stones, let it set and remove the excess at the final scraping. As soon as the grout begins to set, about 1 hour, depending on the ambient temperature and humidity, you can start finishing the grout. For this you need to gently scratch away the surplus material. A brush with smooth bristles can be used afterwards to give the wall a finishing touch. After finishing the installation, we recommend using a water and oil repellent spray in order to facilitate the maintenance of the stones.